Hello, David here. Last night I did a video of the Hans Grill pizza stone, and they had trouble with the pizza sticking to the pizza slide. So this time I've got parchment paper. Hopefully that'll slide off. Toppings are garlic, mushrooms, black olives, green pepper. Okay, the oven and the stone have been warming up to 500 degrees for 30 minutes. See if we have another catastrophe. Ooh, yeah. That slid off easy. Time to start the timer. Whoops. 5 minutes. People told me to cook it for 2 minutes and then take it out and remove the parchment and put it back in, but I thought I'd just try the full 5 minutes. Look at all those ingredients. You could tell that I'm a deep dish pizza maker. I think parchment is the key. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.